Hey everyone, Mike Campbell with Rekluse here in Boise, Idaho. We're going to go over free play gain today. Free play gain is a Rekluse specific term, not to be confused with free play. If you have a Rekluse auto clutch, they're all checked the same way. So what is free play gain? Free play gain is a physical measurement of where the pressure plate is as opposed to the clutch pack. This works off of centrifugal force. So when you crack the throttle, this guy spins up, these weighted wedges expand out. That lifts the pressure plate and the throw out is allowed to follow it. That's what allows your lever to actually jump in towards you. So we're looking for roughly 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch of free play gain, depending on the model. When you purchase our kits brand new, they're gonna come with a rubber band. This is to help you look for that free play gain initially, but we do want you to get good at checking it with your hand because these will eventually wear out. All right, first and foremost, make sure the motorcycle is in neutral. If you try to check free play gain while the motorcycle is in gear, it will try to take off on you. So let's make sure it's in neutral first. First, we'll start with the rubber band, and then we'll show you how to check it with your hand. All right, so here we're gonna go through how to check the free play gain with using the rubber band first. Again, make sure the motorcycle is in neutral. Give it a good, healthy rev. So we're looking for roughly 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch of free play gain, depending on the model. Reference your Rekluse install manual for your specific make, model, and year to determine the amount of free play gain required. Make sure you let the motorcycle return all the way back down to an idle before you rev it up again. Now we're going to show you how to check it by hand. You're doing the exact same thing the rubber band was doing, which is keeping constant tension on the lever. Free play gain will decrease with normal clutch pack wear over time. By checking free play gain often, you will notice the lever moves less when enough wear has occurred and an adjustment is necessary. Thanks everyone for tuning in. That's how we check free play gain in all these different motorcycles. Doesn't matter if it's cable, hydraulic, V-twin, adventure, they're all checked the same way. So let's make sure we check our free play gain before each ride. That's how we're gonna have a better adventure.